Hello everyone, myself Bhumi Patel, Assistant Professor at LG Institute of Engineering and Technology in Department of Electronics and Communication. Today we will discuss about the different types of control valve in unit number 4. So in the last session we have studied the ball valve and the plug valve, operation and working of the plug valve. In today's session we have studied one another type of quarter turn control valve, and it is a butterfly valve. So it is a types of the rotation motion control valve. Now next one is the butterfly valve. It is again a quarter turn types of, means rotation type of valve. Now butterfly valve operation is similar to a ball valve. Here you can see that we can connect a butterfly valve instead of a ball valve. Any other construction is same like ball valve. Now the disc is positioned in a center of a pipe. The rod passes through a disc to a shaft on the outside of the valve. We can connect here a disc to stop and to start the flow of the valve. Now rotating the shaft turns the disc either parallel or perpendicular to the flow. So butterfly valve is also used for the start or stop the flow. Now the butterfly valve is from a family of valve called the quarter turn valve. In operation, the valve is fully open or closed when the disc is rotated a quarter turn, and the quarter turn rotation is about 90 degree. So depending upon the quarter turn, the valve is fully open or fully closed position. So when the valve is closed, the disc is turned, so that is completely block of the passageway, and whenever the valve is fully open, the disc is rotated a quarter turn so that it allows an almost unrestricted passage of the fluid. So here you can see that this is the basic construction of butterfly valve. Butterfly valve is connected in the valve body. When it is in the 0 degree, no flow is there, and when it is rotated 90 degree, it is a fully open condition. So this is the basically how butterfly valve is work. Here you can see that this is the basic construction of butterfly valve. This is the disc is connected, and this is the hinge connected to the disc, and this is the body of the butterfly valve, and this is the operator controlling devices. So this is the actual butterfly valve connection. Whenever the operator control the butterfly valve, here you can see that it is the rotate in 90 degree. So this is the 90 degree rotation or the quarter turn rotation of the butterfly valve. Here the butterfly valve is in the stop condition, and whenever is rotated, it is in the open condition. So this is the open condition of the butterfly valve. So we can pass the flow during this quarter turn position. Okay, and this is the fully open butterfly valve. So it is rotated about 180 degree. So this is butterfly valve connected to the pipe or the system. So whenever The operator is control this device's butterfly valve is rotate about the quarter turn motion, and for that the input flow is passing through the butterfly valve and go to the output side, and here you can see that the flow is coming in the input and out going to the output side, and so this is the fully open butterfly valve position, and this is the half open valve position. So half of the flow pass through the input to output side, and this is the closed position of the butterfly valve. There is no flow between the input to output. This is the side view of the butterfly valve. It is fully closed and it is fully open connection. So this is the basic working of the butterfly valve. Now advantages of butterfly valve. So first of all, where the butterfly is used. So butterfly valve are commonly used on the large pipe size whenever we cannot connect the ball valve or the plug valve. Why? Because in the large pipe size, if we connect the ball valve or the plug valve, the weight of the pipe size is increased. Instead of we can use the butterfly valve, so we can reduce the weight of the pipe. So the function of the ball valve and butterfly valve is same. Construction is different. So whenever the valve is used for the large pipe, we can prefer a butterfly valve. So the capacity of the butterfly valve is high. It is economical and specially used in the large size. We have discussed earlier. Now the recovery of the butterfly valve is high because it is the low pressure drop through the valve. Now it is always good for the slurry services. Butterfly valve is used for the slurry services. Compactness require minimum space for the installation. Here you can see that in the butterfly valve we can use only one disc. So it is the compact design and require the minimum space in the installation compared to the ball valve and the plug valve. Now the response of the butterfly valve is fast and the weight is less because we can use only discs. So whatever input force is applied, using the less force we can move or turn the butterfly valve compared to the ball valve, and it is good flow controllability. The butterfly valve, the flow controllability is good. Now the disadvantages of butterfly valve. Tight shutoff depend on the use of resilient seat which are temperature limited. Here we can use a seat or disc in the butterfly valve. So it is a problem for the tight shutoff, because in the ball valve we can use a ball. So shutting problem is not generated in the ball valve. In the butterfly valve, whenever the temperature problem, tight shutoff is problem arise. Now throttling control on some design is limited to 60-degree travel. Here the construction of butterfly valve is same like ball valve, and the application of ball valve is only on and off the valve. So same like the application of the butterfly valve, we can only on or off the valve. Means we can start the flow or stop the flow. We cannot controlling the flow. So there is a some design the throttling control is problem and it is limited to only 60-degree travel. Now the opening torque can be higher. Whenever we on the valve, the opening torque required is high. So this is the butterfly valve, and you can see that it is a very important for the flow control valve, and it is a on off valve. Now in the butterfly valve we can use always manual actuator for the controlling application. We cannot use a automatic actuator or the electrical actuator in the butterfly valve. Now whenever the butterfly valve is working in 0-degree, means it is totally in the closed position, and whenever it is 90-degree, it is a fully open condition. So this is the butterfly valve, types of the quarter turn valve. Now the butterfly valve design have been upgraded for the high pressure drop. So how the different types of butterfly valve design? So first design is, suppose this is the butterfly valve and this is the input force. The position at 0-degree, forces are balanced. The second position is the butterfly valve is at 90-degree. Again forces are balanced. So this is the fully closed position of the butterfly valve, and this is the fully open position of the butterfly valve. Now the third condition is, if butterfly valve is in this position, okay, so this is the input force and this is the, so between 0-degree and 90-degree, forces are unbalanced. So there is a no fully open or fully closed connection. So generally we can use or we can apply the butterfly valve in at 0-degree or at 90-degree, because butterfly valve is used for on and off application. Now in the next figure we can see the flow characteristic of the butterfly valve. So butterfly valve characteristic is degrees versus torque. So suppose starting from 0-degree and ending with 90-degree. At 0-degree the butterfly valve is fully closed, and at 90-degree the butterfly valve is fully open, and whatever the torque is produced, suppose starting from 0 and this is the 350, in the different application the torque produced is different. So whenever the butterfly valve is close position we can get this type of waveform, and whenever it is fully open connection we can get this type of torque, and whenever the force are unbalanced we can get this type of characteristic. So this characteristic is torque to close, torque to open, and this is for unbalanced torque. So in the butterfly valve we can get the three types of torque characteristic.